Hi friends! Let's learn about shapes and sizes together. Our first shape is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners or edges. Say circle and the circle pieces will appear. Wow, you did it! You made the circles magically appear. Now can you tell me which one is the big circle? That's right! This is the big circle and it's pink. Let's put it here in the circle spot. Now can you point to the medium circle? That's right! It's right here. This is a medium circle and it's dark pink. Excellent job! Now can you point to the small circle? That's right! It's the only one left. Here's a small circle. The next shape is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. These 2 sides are longer than these 2 sides. A rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say the word rectangle? You did it again! The green rectangle pieces just appeared. Which one do you think is the big rectangle? That's right! This one right over here. Big rectangle. Now, can you point to the medium rectangle? Great job! Here's the medium rectangle. Let's put that right in here. Now, can you point to the small rectangle? That's right! Here it is. This is a small rectangle. We'll put that right in here. Great job sorting the rectangles. Next up is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And 3 corners. 1, 2, and 3. Can you do your magic by saying the word triangle? Wow, you did it! You said triangle and the blue triangles appeared. Now where is the big triangle? Can you point to it? That's right! This is a big triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's put that right in the triangle spot. Now can you point to the medium triangle? You got it! Here it is, a medium triangle. And it's blue. Now I need you to point to the small triangle. Yes, you got it! Here it is, the small triangle. Let's put that right in here. Excellent job sorting the triangles. Our next shape is a square. A square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It also has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Time to do your magic. Say square so all the square pieces appear. Wow, you said square and 3 yellow squares appeared. Can you tell me which one is the big square? That's right. Here is the big square with 4 corners and 4 equal sides. Can you point to the medium square for me? You got it. Here it is, the medium square. We'll put that right in there. And the last one is a small square. Here we have a small square. Let's fit that right in there. Next up is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 corners. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 5 sides. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Say the word pentagon so the pentagon pieces appear. Yay! You did it again! You said pentagon and 3 orange pentagons appeared. Now let's review our sizes. Which pentagon do you think is the small pentagon? That's right! Here's the small pentagon. Let's put this piece in the puzzle. Now, do you guys know which pentagon is the medium pentagon? Yes, you're right. This is the medium pentagon. Okay, kiddos, can you now point to the big pentagon? Good job. Here's the big pentagon. It has 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's fit that right in here. Okay, kiddos, let's review our colors together. Here's pink, green, blue, yellow, and orange. Let's review our shapes now. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, pentagon. Oh no! All my sizes and shapes got mixed up. Can you help me find them and put them in order? Oh, thanks! You guys are awesome! Let's start with all the big shapes. We'll look for the pentagon together first. Can you help me find the big pentagon? Remember, the pentagons have 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got it. Here's the big pentagon. How about the big square? Do you see it? I see it. Here it is. The big square. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is a big triangle. Do you see it? I see it. It's blue. There we have it. A big triangle with 3 sides. Next is a big rectangle. Do you see it? That's right, it's green. Here it is. A big rectangle. Let's put that right in there. Now let's find the big circle together. Do you guys see it? That's right, it's pink. There it is, a big circle. Let's now find all the medium-sized shapes. Help me find the medium pentagon. Which one is it? Oh, I think I got it. It's this orange piece. Here's the medium pentagon. How about the medium square? Do you see it? Can you point to it for me? You got it. Here's the medium square. It's yellow. How about a medium triangle? Remember, a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. You got it. Here's the medium triangle. Not too big and not too small. Next is a medium rectangle. Help me find the medium rectangle. Excellent! You got it. Here's the medium rectangle. Next is a medium circle. I know you guys spotted it already. I see it too. Here it is. Medium circle. Okay, friends, let's now look for all the small shapes. Can you point to the small circle? That's right. Here it is, a small circle. How about the small triangle? Can you point to it for me? Remember, our triangles are all blue. You got it. Here's the small triangle with 3 corners and 3 sides. Let's put that right in there. Next is a small square. Do you see the small square? I see it. It's yellow. Here it is. Small square. And last but not least is a small pentagon. Here it is, a small pentagon. Oh, these look so lovely. Here we have circles, rectangles, triangles, squares, and pentagons. The circles are pink, the rectangles are green, the triangles are blue, the squares are yellow, and the pentagons are orange. Yay! We did it, kiddos! We have learned all about shapes, sizes, and colors together. I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun learning. See you next time!